Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The Best Pet Factory is probably one of the most essential purchases a pet owner can make, offering a comfortable and secure space for your beloved companions to rest, play, and feel at home. Whether you have a playful puppy, a curious cat, or a small furry friend, the right pet factory can significantly enhance their well-being and your peace of mind, ensuring they have a dedicated area that caters to their specific needs and instincts. It's more than just a cage or a bed, it's a personalized habitat designed to promote happiness and health. Number 5. Pet Factory 7 inches Braided Beefhide Dog Chews. Give your dog the best with chews made from 100% USA-sourced beef hide. You can trust that these are pure and safe, with no questionable additives. Keep your furry friend happily occupied for hours with these durable chews. They provide a satisfying chewing experience that keeps them busy and content. These natural chews act like a toothbrush, helping to clean teeth and prevent tartar buildup. They contribute to healthy gums and fresher breath. Your dog will love the delicious peanut butter flavor that makes chew time exciting. It's a healthy way to encourage positive chewing habits. Made in regulated facilities, these chews are highly digestible and provide a safe outlet for your dog's natural chewing instincts. Enjoy peace of mind while they chew. What we like. These chews are made from 100% USA-sourced beef hide, ensuring safety and quality. They come in an irresistible peanut butter flavor that dogs adore. If you're looking for a safe, long-lasting chew that your dog will absolutely love, this is the one. It's perfect for keeping your medium-sized dog happily occupied while also promoting dental health. What people say. The Pet Factory is a great product for keeping your pets entertained and active. It's easy to assemble and use, making it a convenient choice for busy pet owners. The durable construction ensures that it will last for a long time, providing endless fun for your furry friends. Number 4. Pawstruck All-Natural 9 Bully Sticks for Dogs. Treat your dog to a delicious, all-natural chew made from 100% real beef. It's slow-roasted for maximum flavor without any artificial preservatives. Our bully sticks are sold by weight, ensuring you always get great value. Enjoy more sticks per bag when they're smaller. Keep your dog happy and occupied with these long-lasting, rawhide-free chews. They're a healthy alternative that reduces boredom and stress. The natural chewing action helps clean your dog's teeth and gums. It gently massages gums and scrapes away plaque for a healthier smile. Made with no additives or chemicals, these chews have a natural meaty scent that dogs can't resist. We're a certified small business that believes all dogs deserve the best. That's why we only offer wholesome products we trust for our own pets. What we like. This option is a single-ingredient, all-natural beef chew, making it a fantastic rawhide alternative. It's also designed to be low-odor, which is a big plus for pet parents. If you prefer simple, natural ingredients and want to minimize smell, these bully sticks are an excellent choice for your dog's chewing needs. What people say. The Pet Factory is a fantastic addition to our home. It's incredibly easy to assemble and the build quality is top-notch. Our pets absolutely love it. We've been using the Pet Factory for a few weeks now and it has exceeded our expectations. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly with our decor. The functionality is also superb, with multiple compartments for food and water, and a comfortable resting area for our furry friends. Number 3. Pet Factory USA Made Beefhide Dog Dental Chews. Give your dog a chew you can trust. These are made from American-raised cattle, ensuring the highest safety standards in every bite. Support your dog's dental health naturally. Chewing helps scrape away plaque and tartar, leading to healthier gums and fresher breath. Keep your dog happily occupied for hours. These durable chews satisfy even the most enthusiastic chewers, protecting your belongings. Your dog's safety is our priority. These chews are 99% digestible and free from harmful additives, offering a worry-free chewing experience. Let them chew their way to a cleaner smile. Each chew acts like a toothbrush, promoting better gum health and fresher breath for closer cuddles. What we like. These are thick, 8-inch rolls made from 100% USA beef hide, designed for serious chewers. They are also highly digestible and promote excellent dental health. If your dog is a strong chewer and you prioritize USA-made products that also help clean their teeth, these rolls are a great option to consider. What people say. The product is easy to assemble and use. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with home decor. It effectively cleans pet hair from furniture and carpets. Number 2. Pet Factory USA Beefhide Dog Chews. Introducing our premium dog chews, proudly made in the USA from 100% natural rawhide. We ensure the highest quality and safety by sourcing from American-raised cattle and processing right here at home. These long-lasting chews are designed to satisfy your dog's natural urge to chew. They provide a safe and healthy outlet for their energy, keeping them happily engaged. Support your dog's dental health with every chew. The act of chewing helps to scrape away plaque and prevent tartar buildup, contributing to cleaner teeth and healthier gums. Your furry friend will love the delicious taste. These treats come in an exciting assortment of beef and chicken flavors to keep their chewing experience enjoyable. Crafted for safety and digestibility, these chews are made from thick American beef hide. They are 99% digestible, offering peace of mind for pet owners. Our manufacturing facility adheres to the highest global food safety standards. You can trust that our products are produced under optimal safety and quality conditions. What we like. These 5-inch chip rolls come in assorted beef and chicken flavors, offering variety for your dog's enjoyment. They are thick, long-lasting, and made from 100% natural USA beef hide. If you have a small to medium dog who enjoys different flavors and needs a satisfying chew, these chip rolls are a good choice. What people say. The Pet Factory is a great product for keeping your pet entertained and active. It's easy to assemble and use, making it a convenient choice for busy pet owners. The durable construction ensures it will last for a long time, providing endless fun for your furry friend. Number 1. Pawstruck Natural Beef Collagen Braids. Introducing a delicious and natural chew for your furry friend. Made with 100% real beef collagen, it's a healthy alternative to traditional rawhide and bully sticks. Perfect for dogs of all sizes, these braids are designed to keep them busy and satisfied. They are thicker than standard bully sticks, making them ideal for aggressive chewers and teething puppies. These nutrient-dense chews are low in fat and high in protein. They are naturally rich in chondroitin and glucosamine, supporting healthy joints, skin, and a shiny coat. Dogs are naturally drawn to the meaty scent of these chews. With no artificial additives, they offer a pure and appealing aroma. The act of chewing helps maintain good dental hygiene. It gently massages gums and helps remove plaque and tartar buildup. As pet parents ourselves, we are committed to providing only the best. These wholesome products are made with the strictest quality standards. What we like. These large, 10 to 13-inch braids are made from 100% real beef collagen, offering a unique nutritional benefit. They are packed with chondroitin and glucosamine to support healthy joints, skin, and coat. If you're looking for a long-lasting chew that goes beyond basic dental benefits and actively supports your dog's joint health and coat condition, these collagen braids are an excellent, nutrient-dense choice. What people say. The Pet Factory is a fantastic toy for keeping my dog entertained for hours. I love that the Pet Factory is made with durable, non-toxic materials, ensuring my pet's safety. The Pet Factory's unique design is not only visually appealing but also stimulates my dog's natural chewing instincts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.